Hello, and welcome back to part 5 of our responsive restaurant website project. In this part, we will be designing our featured meal section. Let's dive right in. To create our featured meal card, let's start with the HTML structure. We are going to have a headline, a subtitle, some paragraph text, slider indicators, and an image. Now, let's head over to our style sheet and bring our design to life. For our card section, we'll use Flexbox to lay out the elements. Center the content horizontally and vertically. We'll also set a vertical margin of 0 and a horizontal margin of 40 pixels. For our card, we'll give it a background color. Set its width to fit its content. We are going to add a box shadow for a subtle lift effect. We are also going to use Flexbox to lay out the elements. Center the content vertically. Add some padding inside the card. And give it some rounded corners. For the card content, we are going to allow the content to take up all available horizontal space. Now, let's style the content within the card. We are going to set the width of the paragraph text to 70% of the container. For the headline, we'll set its font size and give it a bold font weight. We'll also give it this dark brown color. For our subtitle, we'll set the font weight to bold and give it a similar color as the headline. For our container of slider indicators, we are going to set its display to flex and add a bottom margin of 20 pixels. For the active indicator, we will set its width and height to 10 pixels, give it a background color, make it a circle by setting its border radius to 50% and add some margin on the right. For our regular indicators, we'll only change the background color. Now, let's style the image container. We are going to allow the container to take up all available horizontal space and align it to the right. For the image itself, we are going to set its width to 100% and maintain its aspect ratio by setting its height to auto. And that is it for this part. In the next part, we are going to work on our reservation form. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.